Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to remove power lines from landscape photos. Open your landscape image with sky view, then zoom near the area where wires cross the scene. Now choose the AI removal tool and set brush to small. Start painting directly on the power lines and also instantly Photoshop remove them with natural blending. Continue following each lines across the sky. Use short stroke for more accurate cleanup. Check up for repetitive patterns, fix with healing brush, and add a soft blue gradient to restore smoothly sky. And adjust contrast to bring back life, and also apply slight